نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا صدق الله العظيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته है जुर्म अगर वतन की मिट्टी से मोहब्बत है जुर्म अगर वतन की मिट्टी से मोहब्बत ये जो सदा मेरे हिसाबों है I would like to wish all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 14th August and we are celebrating the 77th Independence Day of our country Pakistan. The Independence Day is the national festival of the country. This is a very important day in the history of Pakistan. On this day, in 1947, we got freedom from British rule. Today, we all are here to pay tribute to our great freedom fighters who devoted their whole life for the independence of our country. This day teaches us the power of unity. We must perform all our duties as a responsible citizen and promote peace to our country. हम अपनी शान से बेनाम करते हैं, हम अपनी शान